What if I told you that a single conference in 1814 changed the destiny of Europe? The Congress of Vienna was convened after the Napoleonic Wars to restore stability to a continent ravaged by conflict. World leaders gathered, including Clemens von Metternich of Austria, Tsar Alexander I of Russia, and Lord Castlereagh of Britain. Their mission, to redraw the map of Europe and prevent future wars. This assembly marked the first time major powers collaborated to construct a balance of power, emphasizing collective security over individual ambitions. Each nation sought to regain territories and influence lost during Napoleon's expansion, leading to negotiations that were both strategic and intensely personal. The outcome was not just a new political landscape, but an agreement known as the Concert of Europe, which aimed to maintain peace through regular meetings among the great powers. This remarkable event set the stage for nearly a century of relative peace in Europe, illustrating the power of dialogue and cooperation even amidst profound rivalry. The Congress of Vienna stands as a testament to the complexities of international relations and the intricate dance of power that shapes our world today.